Let's be clear. Social media is not a game. It's an arena, a battleground where brands fight for attention, for loyalty, for survival. You, the small business owner, are a gladiator in this arena. You face giants with massive budgets, endless teams. How do you compete? You need an edge. That weapon is artificial intelligence. It's here, it's accessible, and it's ready to work for you. This isn't about replacing you. It's about empowering you. Imagine reclaiming hours from content creation and scheduling. Picture understanding your audience on a level you never thought possible. This is what AI-powered social media automation offers. It's about working smarter, not harder. Now, let's talk tools, your AI arsenal. This isn't about finding the most expensive software. No, this is about finding the right tools. Tools that are user-friendly because you don't have time for a steep learning curve. Tools that are affordable because every penny counts. The good news? These tools exist. Think of names like Buffer, Hootsuite, or Later. They can help you schedule posts, suggest content ideas, and analyze what's resonating with your audience. They offer tiered pricing, often with free plans or affordable entry-level options. Beyond the all-in-one management platforms, there are specialized AI writing assistants like Jasper or Copy.ai. These can help overcome writer's block, generate creative captions, and draft blog post ideas. The key is to identify your biggest pain point and find a tool that directly addresses it. Start with one or two core tools that offer the most bang for your buck. Your AI arsenal should empower you, not overwhelm you. Choose wisely. Content. It's the lifeblood of your social media presence. But staring at a blank screen day after day trying to conjure engaging posts? That's a recipe for burnout. This is where AI steps in, not as a replacement for your unique voice, but as a powerful co-conspirator. Imagine having a brainstorming partner available 24/7. AI tools can help you identify what your audience is talking about, what questions they're asking, what content formats are performing best. Think about generating a list of blog titles, which can then be broken down into multiple social media updates, or using AI to summarize a long article into a series of concise, shareable tweets, or an engaging Instagram caption. The AI does the heavy lifting of initial ideation and drafting, freeing you up to focus on the strategic messaging. The content it generates needs your oversight, your critical eye. This is how you build a compelling narrative. So, you have your content. Brilliant, engaging, AI-assisted content. What now? Post it all at once? Sporadically when you remember? No. Consistency is king in the social media realm. Your audience needs to hear from you regularly, predictably. But who has the time to manually post multiple times a day across various platforms? This is where AI-powered scheduling becomes your superpower. AI scheduling tools go beyond simple calendar functions. They analyze data. They look at when your specific audience is most active on each platform. Instead of guessing the optimal posting times, you get data-driven recommendations. You upload your content into the scheduling platform. You tell the AI which platforms you want to target. Then, let the AI's optimization engine choose the best slots for you. Imagine setting up a week's worth, or even a month's worth, of social media posts in a single afternoon. This isn't just scheduling, it's strategic automation that buys you back your most valuable resource time. Section 5. Decoding the Roar AI for unlocking engagement secrets. Posting content is only half the battle. The other half? Understanding what happens next. Who is engaging? How are they engaging? What messages resonate and which ones fall flat? Manually sifting through likes, comments, shares, and reach across multiple platforms can be a soul-crushing, time-devouring task. This is where AI steps in as your master analyst, your data interpreter. AI-powered analytics tools can dissect your social media performance with a level of detail and speed that humans simply cannot match. They can track key metrics like engagement rates, click-through rates, follower growth, and sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis is particularly powerful. AI can scan comments and mentions to determine the overall feeling towards your brand or a specific campaign. These tools don't just present data, They often visualize it in easy-to-understand dashboards and reports. Armed with these AI-driven insights, you can stop guessing and start knowing. AI analytics transforms your social media from a shot in the dark into a precisely targeted campaign. Section 6. The Platform Playbook. AI for tailoring your message flawlessly. One message does not fit all. What captivates on Instagram might fall flat on LinkedIn. Trying to manually adapt your core message for each platform's unique audience, tone, and technical requirements is a Herculean task. AI offers a sophisticated solution, helping you tailor your content flawlessly. Many AI content creation and social media management tools now incorporate features specifically designed for platform optimization. For instance, you can draft a core message, and the AI can help you rephrase it for different character limits, suggest platform-specific hashtags, or even adjust the tone. Consider the power of this. You create one piece of pillar content, perhaps a blog post or a detailed customer story. AI can then assist you in atomizing this content into multiple tailored pieces. This intelligent adaptation saves incredible amounts of time and significantly boosts the effectiveness of your social media efforts. AI acts as your expert platform strategist, guiding you to make the subtle but crucial adjustments that differentiate a generic social media presence from one that truly connects and converts. Section 7. Beyond the algorithm, the irreplaceable human element. Let's be crystal clear. AI is a powerful tool, a game changer, an ally. But it is not, and should never be, a complete replacement for you, the human element. Your intuition, your empathy, your authentic voice. These are qualities that no algorithm, no matter how sophisticated, can replicate. Automation can handle the repetitive tasks, analyze the data, and even draft the content. But the soul of your brand, the genuine connection with your audience, that comes from you. Think about engaging with comments. AI can flag important comments or categorize sentiment, but a heartfelt, personalized response to a customer query or a thoughtful acknowledgement of positive feedback, that needs to come from a real person. Your role shifts when you integrate AI. You become the strategist, the editor-in-chief, the voice of authenticity. Use the time AI saves you to engage more deeply, to create more thoughtfully, and to build stronger, more meaningful relationships with your customers. Your humanity is your ultimate competitive advantage. Section 8. Victories in the feed: how others conquered with social AI. It's one thing to talk about theory, about potential. It's another to see it in action. Real small business owners, just like you, are already leveraging AI to transform their social media presence and achieve tangible results. Consider the local bakery that struggled to post consistently amidst the morning rush of baking. By using an AI scheduler and content suggestion tool, they now maintain a vibrant Instagram feed, showcasing daily specials and engaging with customers. Think about the freelance consultant who needed to establish thought leadership on LinkedIn, but lacked the hours for extensive content creation. By using an AI writing assistant to draft initial articles and posts, and an analytics tool to understand what resonated with their target audience, they dramatically increased their visibility and inbound leads. Or imagine the artisan craftsperson selling unique handmade goods online. They used AI tools to analyze which product photos got the most engagement, what keywords their ideal customers were searching for, and the best times to post. These aren't isolated incidents. Their success stories can be your blueprint. Section 9. Your mandate. Seize control with AI, starting now. The arena is waiting. The tools are available. The path has been illuminated. Now the choice is yours. You can continue to fight the social media battle with one hand tied behind your back, overwhelmed by the demands, frustrated by the lack of consistent results. Or you can choose to evolve. You can choose to embrace the power of artificial intelligence, not as a threat, but as your most formidable ally. This is your mandate: to seize control of your social media, to amplify your voice, and to reclaim your precious time. The moment to act is now. Start small, but start. Pick one area of your social media that causes you the most pain. Experiment. See what works for your business. The first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most crucial in any journey toward transformation. Automate your social media with AI. Unleash its potential. Watch your small business not just compete, but command attention in the digital arena.